I could buy you a diamond, but I cannot change the world, 'cause I ain't got no money. You'll never be my girl. I thought